Hey class, this is a quick review of scientific notation. You may recall that scientific notation makes use of powers of 10. The number is written in scientific notation when it is expressed as the product of a power of 10 and a number greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. Two examples are shown below. So 3,456, we can write that. We want to put a decimal in a place where it'll be greater than or equal to 1. The number will be greater than or equal to 1, but less than 10. So we're going to put the decimal right there. So 3.456. And then we just want to think of what number times 3.456 equals 3,456. And that is 1,000. And 1,000 we're going to write as a power of 10, which is 10 to the third power. 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. So the number 10 million, again, we want to write this using a number that's greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. So we're going to put the decimal right between the 1 and the 0. So it's really 1.0000. But when all there are zeros, those aren't necessary. So we're just going to write 1 times, and 1 times 10 million equals 10 million, and 10 million is 10 to the, we can just count the zeros in this place to know what power it is. So it's 10 to the 7th power. All right, so here's a number written in scientific notation. This first number is greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. We want to multiply that by 10 to the third. Well, that really means we're multiplying 7.24 times 10 times 10 times 10, written in expanded form. And every time we multiply by 10, the decimal is going to move one place to the right. So we're going to have 7. We started with 7.24, and we need to put a 0 there for the third time. So it's 7,240. Okay, 4.003 times 10 to the 6th. Well, that 6th power just means multiplying by 10 6 times. And every time we multiply by 10, the decimal moves one place to the right. So we're going to have to add 3 zeros to get the number. So we have 4,003,000 is our number. 4.003 times 10 to the 6th. Now, to put it in scientific notation, we need to move the decimal. So right now the decimal's right here, but we need to move it so that we have a number between that's greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10. So we're going to put it right here. So we're going to start with 7.5. Now, to get there, we had to move from 7.5 to 7,500,000. The decimal moves 3, 4, 5, 6 places. So to get it to do that, we need to multiply by 10 6 times, and in shorthand, we just write 10 to the 6th power. So we'll do one more here. To get a number that's greater than or equal to 1 but less than 10, we're going to put the decimal right there. So we're going to get 4.07 times 10, and to get it from this place all the way to the end, we would have to multiply by 10 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So 10 to the 7th power is that number. All right. In class, we'll fill in this chart and check out some of these problems.